we're going to be juggling. So I'm going to show you how to juggle, and I'm going to challenge you how to juggle. You could even juggle using some things around your house, like trash bags, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. Also want to remind you, now that it's getting sunny, to wear sunblock. You can wear it in lotion form, spray form. You can wear a hat, you can wear sunglasses. You want to protect yourself from the sun at all times. Remember, you want to use sunblock that has SPF and then some number. The higher the number, the higher the number, the higher the protection. So now let's get into the basics of juggling. You want to start with just one, so you get used to mastering every step along the way. You're going to toss it across your body and then just let it fall on the floor. Toss and let it drop. Easy peasy. Now let's move on to two. When you're ready for two, here's where we introduce the X toss. Now the X toss looks like that. Toss, toss, and then again just let them fall to the ground. Okay? Toss, toss, and let them fall to the ground. So again, we're making an X as we toss that. We're gonna move on with the X toss. Now what you're gonna do, you're going to toss, toss, and as they're falling, then you're going to catch, catch. Okay, so without the scarves, it looks like this. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Now when you catch, I always like to say it's almost like a bear catching a fish. Okay, so again, toss, toss, catch, catch. From there, as you can tell, it's a pattern. And then when you juggle, it would be a good idea to repeat that pattern in your head. Repeating the pattern in your mind will help you. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Toss, toss, catch, catch. You notice my eyes are staying focused on my scarves. Toss, toss, catch, catch, while I do my X toss. Okay. I recommend do not move on to three until you've mastered this X toss. Some of the most common mistakes that I see are this, where you'll throw one across your body and then you pass it, don't pass it, toss it across your body. You have to throw both, toss, toss. Okay, it's not toss and then pass. Once you've mastered two scarves, you're ready to juggle with three. Let's talk about how you hold them. One, you're gonna hold pinky to palm. Second one is gonna be index to thumb. And the last one is on its own over here. I'm gonna follow a pattern of pink, blue, green, following my X toss. And remember, I'm always tossing, always catching, okay? And you must throw before you catch the next scarf. So watch. Once you've mastered juggling three items, challenge yourself to see what else you can juggle. Juggling is all about balancing, and remember to balance your life as well. Get some good sleep, exercise, and eat well. Flag tag is an awesome game. We've played it before in PE. I'm gonna go over all the rules. Your main objective is to pull somebody's flag. Okay, now you can use, like I said, a bandana, a piece of fabric, anything that you can put right in your pocket just like that as a flag, okay? You can do any movement in this game. I just do not recommend to go backwards, and if you're spinning, be very careful, okay? But again, your main mission is to pull somebody's flag. If you do get your flag pulled, then you are out. So you would have to excuse yourself, do some kind of exercise, maybe 10 jumping jacks, 10 push-ups, and then re-enter the game. When you re-enter the game, put your flag back on, and you're ready to play. Okay? Let's go over some additional rules. Your flag has to be long enough. Your flag cannot be too short. Like that, too short, okay? Opponents must be able to see it. They have to be able to see your flag, okay? You cannot hold your flag. You cannot push off. Okay, there's no grabbing, no pulling, no tripping. You have to be careful with that, or you would be out for that too. If your flag falls off by itself, you're out. So you'd have to go do the exercises, come back in, and then you're back in the game. You also want to set up some boundary lines, like out of bounds lines, so if you accidentally step out, be honest, you're out. Go do those exercises and then come back in. And be honest overall. If you get your flag pulled, you're out. If you get your flag pulled, you're out. Oh, yeah. Get your flag pulled, you're out.